In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tables in Figma Slides. Whether you're building a project update, a product roadmap, or a simple comparison chart, tables make information easier to scan and present. I'll walk you through the exact flow, add context so it all makes sense, and share a few tips to keep everything neat and consistent. Start by opening Figma and heading to your home screen. This is where all your recent files and teams live, so it's the quickest way to jump back into your work. From here, open the slide deck you want to work on. If you have multiple files with similar names, glance at the thumbnails or use the search bar so you're sure you're in the right presentation. Once you're inside your deck, click the specific slide where you want the table to appear. It helps to choose a slide layout with a generous content area so you have room to arrange your data. If you're using a template, clear out any placeholder text boxes that might overlap where the table will go. Next, look toward the bottom of the interface and open the Assets panel. If you don't see it, try expanding the panel or switching from the Layers view to Assets. Assets are reusable components and elements that keep your design consistent across slides. Inside Assets, locate the Table option. If your file has a design system or a component library attached, the table you see may already be styled to match your brand. Click Table to activate it. Now place it on the slide and drag to shape your table. As you drag, use the alignment guides and snap points to center the table or align it to your grid. You can adjust its width and height to fit your content, and it's a good idea to leave comfortable margins on the slide for balance. If the table supports resizing grips or row and column handles, use those to fine-tune the structure without distorting the layout. With the table in place, start filling in your content. Double-click a cell to type, and use Tab to move to the next cell or Shift+Tab to move back. Keep headings short and descriptive and use consistent capitalization and units. You can style text from the right sidebar to adjust size, weight, and alignment so headers stand out. If a column feels cramped, resize the table or adjust column widths for better readability. For larger datasets, consider duplicating a row to maintain consistent spacing, and always check that your table remains legible on the slide canvas and in presentation mode. That's it. You opened your deck, chose the slide, added a table from assets, shaped it, and filled in your data. Save your changes, and you're ready to present.